Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob. So today, I know I look crazy right now, but I have a sponsored video. Ignore me, I have no nails either. And it is a product by Minamul. They are organic Konjac exfoliating sponges right here. There's 6 in a bag. Very, very nice sponges. It says that they will purify and exfoliate your skin. They are bamboo charcoal, which contains activated carbon to deeply clean and absorb excess sebum and grime to help prevent blemishes and breakouts. Y'all know I got tons of sebum right through here. So I'm like, all right, we can do this. So the one thing I noticed is that it was a nice sealed bag, and of course, because I'm rough with stuff, I just tore it and it's not even, and y'all know how it bothers me. But in the bag, you get 6 of these, and they come like this on a little string. Now, I will say they smell a little weird. It reminds me of like a seaweed smell, but before you use it, it says to soak these in water for like 3 to 5 minutes to soften them up. I found that it took like just 2 minutes. So this is a new one, and this is a used one. Not really, like, not too much really of a difference now. This will get smaller once it's dried, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. Now you can use this by itself, or you can use this with cleanser. And if you use it with cleanser, it says to use only half of the amount. So literally wet it. I put my cleanser on here, so you see that the little itty bitty drop. I'm actually focusing in on the areas that, you know, I have an issue with, which is, you know, right here. And since it is, forget fall, it's winter now because it's snowing in Ohio. Yeah, and I've been using these for a little over a week. I wasn't going to do a video where I wasn't using them properly. Yes, I know it's my little love bump. Just without noticing any type of difference or whatever. So now it looks like I'm not really washing my face, but I am. But I've already washed my face once. I'm just doing this for demonstration purposes. So yeah. So then after that, you just rinse it out. Make sure all the cleanser and stuff is out. And yes, I use a washcloth because, well, I'm black, so ridiculous. I don't use that splashing whatnot over the face because it's ridiculous. So yes, I use a washcloth. Oy. And then that is that. Obviously, once you do that, you can follow up with your moisturizer, your night creams, your serums, anything like that. But do I approve these? These are Snob approved. I do like these. They are not rough. I wasn't sure about charcoal sponges. I've tried all sorts of exfoliating products like my Clarisonic with like Dermalogica's microfilliant, whatever it is, the micro abrasion something or other. And that, it's not rough, but it's similar to it. The effect is, but it's not the same product. But Minamul I found on Amazon, and I will put a link in the description. So this is what they look like. It is a black bag, very, very sanitary. Each one, so when you're done, you can hang this up to dry, and it's not sitting in its own filth and water, if that makes sense. I know that sounds crazy, but make sure also that you really, really, really rinse it well. I recommend these for people that have severe acne, only because it's gentle enough to wash your face with. Or if you have sensitive skin, I recommend it. So that's all I have. So thanks for tuning in to the Ordinary Snob, barefaced and all. And we'll see you next time.